Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to solve this problem number 23. Find the equivalent resistance across the terminal A and B for the circuit shown below. Okay, so here you can see here these two resistors are connected in parallel. Okay, so current enters and current is going to divide. I can say these two are connected in parallel. Okay, so now I'm going to redraw the network. So here I have a 5 ohm resistor. So if you have any doubt in this, just you mark the nodes as C as well as D. So here you have C and here you have D. So now this will have only a single resistor connected. Okay, so this is one resistor, and from D it reaches B through the resistance 5 ohm. So here it is 5 ohm. So this is also 5 ohm. Here 2 connected in parallel. So when two resistors connected in parallel of same value 2 by 2, this is 1 ohm, or the second formula you can use product of resistance divided by sum of resistance. This is also 1 ohm. And you can see in this problem these three are current flows in 5 ohm and the current flows in 1 ohm. Same current also will flow in 5 ohm. I can say these three are connected in series connection. The series connection across the terminals A and B, we are going to get, you can see here. So the resultant is across A and B, which is nothing but 5 plus 1 plus 5. So the resultant resistance between the terminals A and B is 11 ohms. So this is the resistance between AB, which is nothing but 11 ohms. So this is how to solve the problem. Okay. Hope you are able to understand the concept. And if you feel the content is useful, please like the video, please share with your friends, and if you have any doubts, let me know in comment section, and you will get a doubt, any doubt, like how it is connected in parallel. Current is dividing, these two are in parallel. Current is same, these two are in series. Very simple. Like this, if you have any doubt, let me know in comment section. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel with the name KV Tulasirao. So this is a free channel for the development of students as well as for the faculty. Thank you for watching. Yours faithfully, Ram. Meet you in the next video.